Hi, I'm Ken Gracie with Parallax. If you're an educator and you've seen our new What's a Microcontroller with Python series, I'd like to give you a quick look at how you can get started. There are 3 different ways, and this is a wonderful companion set to use with the CyberBuy. So let's get a look at the hardware choices. If you already have a microbit, all you need is the What's a Microcontroller with Python parts kit. It's 32755. This is the What's a Microcontroller with Python kit without the microbit. If you don't have a microbit, you can get 32750. This is the same kit, but with the microbit included. And finally, there's the 12-pack plus for classrooms. This is 12 of these kits, plus a ping laser rangefinder, extra servos, a PIR sensor, and a bunch of cables to connect everything. And this is part number 32752. And if you only need replacement components, you can get them in a bag. This is part number 572 32750. That's all there is to it.